get your clips ready. Go Effects, then Halo Blur. Make the effect last less than half of the clip. Put speed on 75, intensity on 40. Overlay a 0.2 second white image and put at start of beat. Go Splice, then put it on 20. Go Mask on the overlay, then select Circle and invert it. Add keyframe start and end of overlay, then go on last keyframe and make the circle fit whole screen. Go Graphs, then ease out. Duplicate the overlay and put at start of next beat. Go Text and write a word. Put opacity on 80%. Put the text at start of white overlay and make the text 2 times longer than white overlay. Go Animations, then put Fade Out on 0.2 seconds. Rotate the text by -15 degrees and put text in middle of screen. Add keyframe start and end of text, then rotate it to 0 degrees on last keyframe and make the text bigger. Go Graphs on text, then ease out. Freeze the second clip at start and make the frozen clip 1.2 seconds long. Overlay the frozen clip and slide at end of previous clip. Go Remove Background, then Auto Removal. Go on Custom Removal and quick erase the parts you don't want to keep. Go Animations on the overlay, then put Fade In on 0.2 seconds. Duplicate the overlay, then slide it under. Shorten the duplicated overlay by start until the next beat. Go Custom Removal on duplicated overlay, then click Reset and brush another part. Once you've done this to another 2 parts, add keyframe start and keyframe when next overlay appears. Go first keyframe and make the overlay smaller. Do the same keyframe process for next overlay and make it smaller on first keyframe. Go Graphs, then put ease out for all keyframes.